Hey beauties and guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're just going to be talking about aloe vera plant juice. So I drank this juice in 10 days and I wanted to share with you how I lost a few pounds. I also wanted to share with you the health benefits of drinking aloe vera juice, the contraindication, and what I incorporated with drinking the juice to lose those pounds. So yeah, come along with me and I'm going to show you what to do. So guys, like I said, it was only 10 days, but I'm still going to show you how I lost a few pounds in that 10 days. It's, for me, it's been really hard trying to get rid of some pounds that I gained over the COVID situation, and it's really hard. I know some of you can kind of relate to what I'm saying. It's really hard. You just sit down and just munch, and before you realize so it's been very difficult trying to take off these extra pounds, but there's a few reasons why I decided to try this aloe vera juice, and I just want to quickly go through what it is for those who don't know, and also the benefits of it. So aloe vera plant juice is a medicinal plant. The leaves hold a gooey kind of translucent gel, and it's also, I have to stress, it's also extremely bitter. Like if you have really strong stomach and you can stomach it, I'll say go for it. But the first few times that I drank it, it was it was nasty. But it's extremely bitter, so it would take a lot of getting used to. So the gel is made up of around, let's say, 96% of water, and which contains about 20 amino acids, and it also has vitamin A, B, C, and E. And it needs to be consumed regularly over a long period of time to really work. So 10 days isn't really enough for me to actually just show you what it actually does. But to me, I have lost a few pounds. But if you carry on taking it for a longer period, maybe you notice, a very visible transformation. I don't know. But yeah. And before I carry on, I just wanted to tell you guys that before I consume anything, I always do my research. So the research that I've done is what I'm sharing with you guys. And then you can make your own judgment about that and then, do whatever you want to do. So that is the plan. And then what I'm going to tell you right now is just the benefits of it. I know that some people know that aloe vera is very beneficial because, we use it for the skin, we use it for the hair, we use it, I never knew that you could drink it like that. I know that they have juices, where they add sugar and stuff to it, which makes it a little bit more easier to consume. But I never knew that there was gel that you could actually drink, Does that make sense? Anywho, but I'm just gonna show you or share with you the benefits of aloe vera plant gel. So aloe vera in itself, it detoxifies the body, and basically because it's full of antioxidants, so it fights the digestive disorders. Like if you have any issues with your digestive system, it kind of clears it out. Also, it's a natural laxatives, so it helps in digestions and also helps cure constipation as well. If you're finding it, difficult to, go to the toilet, instead of taking whatever you take, you could try aloe vera. It's supposed to kind of cure your constipation as well. So it also manages hunger by making you feel fuller, That's what it says. If you drink it, it makes you feel fuller, so you don't have to, keep snacking on things. It also boosts metabolism, also cures ulcers, and also acid refluxes. It cures acidity, gas, like when you bloat and stuff like that. It's supposed to help with that. Also, it boosts appetite. It cures irritable bowel syndrome, and also helps treat anemia. Now, anemia is something that I kind of suffer with now and again. I'm going to do a video on that to share with you what I do to help that situation. But yeah, it's supposed to help with anemia. It helps with heartburn, relieves heartburn, and also if you find it really difficult to drink it like this, because I'm telling you guys, it is really bitter. I'm not exaggerating. It's very bitter. So if you find it difficult to drink something like this, you can purchase the ones from the stores where it's kind of diluted and it's sweetened. That will make it easier for you. They also have it in creams that you can apply on your skin. And then they do capsules as well. If you want to do that, that's an easy option to do. Also, they do liquids as well. I do have aloe vera face gel that I put on my face sometimes. It's kind of cooling as well on your face. Now we're going topical now, where you can use it for burns. Like if you burn your skin, it's very, very soothing. You can also use it for sunburn as well. If you have cuts, you have dry skin, you have cold sores, you have frostbites, psoriasis, eczema, and it also reduces appearance of acne. So you girls and you guys who suffer from acne, I know some of you do that. If you try this on your face, it's supposed to, reduce the appearance of acne. So what you can do is, if you want to apply it on your face as a mask, you can mix it up with maybe honey or lemon. That's what I do for my face. I'm going to do another video on aloe vera, using aloe vera on your face, and I'm going to show you what pretty much what you do and how to make the mask. It's also good for your hair and skin. You can, it's good for, it kind of smooths out your skin, and it promotes hair growth. So you can just pretty much just blend it up, mix it with stuff, and then just apply it to your hair. It's really, really good. And also it boosts immunity and balances hormonal problems. So, as you can see in the video, like, it was a struggle trying to take that first sip. It was a struggle. And then as soon as I tasted it, I don't know how to describe the smell, but as soon as I tasted it, I felt like gagging, because it was, it wasn't what I expected it to be. It was just extremely, extremely bitter, and I didn't want to carry on. But then I was thinking about the amount that I've made, and just trying to challenge myself in getting through that. So I added, with the lemon and the ginger being added, it was a little bit spicy because of the ginger, and that diluted it a little bit, but it was still bitter. And I've been told that you can add honey as well if you want it sweet, if you want to, it takes the bitterness off, but you can still taste the bitterness in the drink, even with honey. Like, I tried that. Yeah. You can still taste it. When I first drank it, after a few seconds, I'll say, my tummy, I could feel something going on in my tummy, like something going around. That's what it felt like. And then I started having cramps. I started kind of like having cramps in my stomach after I took it. And I think it's the laxative effect that causes the ab cramps. But it was only, uncomfortable for a little bit. And then I felt like something was moving around in my stomach. It's supposed to kind of clear your colon and kind of just detoxify and, Yeah. So when I drank it, it was, yeah. I mean, after 2, 3 days, I started getting used to the taste. It was still bitter though, don't get me wrong, but I started getting used to the taste. And then I carried on for 10 days. And then I stopped. Like it finished and then I stopped. I didn't make another one. It isn't something I personally would drink every day, like continuously drink every day, unless I had serious issues that I felt really needed me to continue. um but it was just a challenge for myself to see, what happens when you drink it. I still use it for my face, once a month to do like a scrub or a mask. I still do that. So that's not something I'm going to stop because I do see something in my skin. And then after 10 days, I have to say that I noticed my nails, that was just 10 days, guys. I noticed that my nails were a little tougher. It started growing and it was a little tough. Like my nails usually just break easily. And I noticed that it was a little hard than usual. And my skin was kind of like smooth in appearance more than usual, if that makes sense. Yeah. So what I need to tell you guys in terms of contraindication is that speak to your doctor if you have any underlying health problems, or if you're pregnant, or if you have allergy to garlic, onions, and tulip. Do not take it. Always speak to your doctor first if you have any issues before you consume it, and also do your research. That's all I can tell you right now. Also, if you do take it, please pay attention to your body. See how your body reacts to aloe vera when you take it, like when you consume it. Even when you apply it on your face or wherever on your body, make sure you take notice of any sensitivities or reactions. And if you get any reactions, immediately, please stop. Yeah, stop. So yeah, in terms of cooperating it with something else, I basically just did like a 10 minutes kind of workout. I drink it once a day and then I do like a 10 minutes workout with it. So I think that also helped. I didn't just rely on aloe vera plant gel, drinking it once a day to perform a miracle. I worked, for 10 minutes with that. And I lost a few pounds, as you can see in the before picture, and then the after picture, there is a difference. Maybe not a lot, but there is a difference. And I'm pretty super duper dope happy about that because it was taking me a long time to kind of shift a few pounds off. So yeah, I hope this video helps anybody who wants to try it. I hope it helps anybody who wants to know a little bit more about aloe vera plant gel. There is, however, kind of pros and cons that people talk about. But at the same time, if you do your research and you think that your body is okay and can consume that, then yeah, feel free and go for it. So yeah, thank you so much guys for watching this video. Stay blessed and I'll see you guys next week. Bye.